Kolkmeyer. Good morning.
It is cold this morning. We've got a cold weather advisory in place that has kind of, replaced our old wind chill advisories and all of those things. But all of that to say, we will sit about 25 degrees below normal. That's for both our high temperature today and our low temperature tonight. Wind chill values as a result being under that cold weather advisory means your chills can dip as low, sometimes as low as about 20 or 25 below. These are your air temps right now. We sit above zero, but just barely, and we'll likely drop below it here or there this morning. It is 0 in Aurora and DeKalb. It's 5 degrees at the lakefront in the city. O'Hare 4 degrees, Midway 6, Valparaiso 3 degrees. It's 2 degrees in Waukegan. There are your wind chills, teens below for most spots. It's as cold as -17 for the wind chill in DeKalb and Aurora. Feels like 14 below in Waukegan and Valparaiso. Feels like 7 below at the lakefront in Chicago. O'Hare about -11 for a wind chill. Air temp there 4 degrees. Increasing clouds here today with a high right around 10. Detailed forecast in a few minutes. Brett's here with traffic. Brett? Morning. So this lasts all day today, tonight, and through tomorrow as temps continue to drop off. Here are your air temps right now, 0 to 7. All above 0 for now, at or above, I should say, but we may see a couple of these fall down below. It's 5 degrees at the lakefront right now, 4 at O'Hare and 6 at Midway. Coldest air temps, Aurora, DeKalb, and McHenry, all sitting only at the 0 mark. Your winds are not light either, unfortunately. A northwest wind is up to 15 miles per hour. We do get some gusty winds this afternoon. Right now, we're not clocking those. It makes that wind chill drop well below 0. 17 below for Aurora and DeKalb is how cold it feels. It feels like -14 in Waukegan and there in Valparaiso. Bartlett wind chill -16 degrees, feels like 9 to 11 below at Midway, the lakefront in the city, and at O'Hare. Going through your day today will increase clouds pretty quickly, at least through your morning hours. It's mostly clear, but much of your day will sit mainly cloudy, especially as we roll a little bit into that early afternoon hour, 11 noon today. Here's 10 a.m. obviously closing in on some cloud cover, and then we're mostly cloudy. Little snow passes off to our south, so slightest chance south of 80 to see a little bit of light snow today. Great majority of the area looks dry, and again, even that chance is pretty slight south of 80. Wanted to show you quickly tomorrow morning. You've got a slight chance by late morning and into the afternoon for a little lake effect snow in northwest Indiana. Most of this looks into LaPorte County, but you may see a little bit swing into Porter County as well. So eyeing Michigan City all the way down to even Valparaiso for that. That's kind of that 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. hour to see that swing back and forth through northwest Indiana. Illinois side looks dry. Today, 10 degrees. Normal high is 36 for today's date, so we are 26 degrees below normal. West winds will gust up to 25 miles per hour. Tonight, -3. Wind chill's obviously going to be bitter cold once again, which is why we've got that cold weather advisory in place. Look for those as cold as 25 below in some spots. Partly cloudy. And then a slight scattered snow chance there Wednesday, 15 degrees. Back to you. Obviously cold air temperatures, cold weather, wind chill values down as cold as 20 to 25 below possible, especially as we look into tomorrow morning. Air temps here today will be about 26 degrees below normal. We'll see that again tomorrow morning. And again, those wind chills falling significantly lower than normal. Right now we sit below 0 in some spots, which puts us a good 27 degrees colder than yesterday. This is a 24-hour temp change map. It just shows how many degrees colder we are right now compared to 518 yesterday morning. It's about 23, 24 degrees colder in Chicago right now. Air temp there, 3 degrees at the lakefront. Warmest temp on the board is only 5 degrees. That's at Midway in Kankakee, Rensselaer, and Joliet. Coldest air temperature would be near Sugar Grove Airport near Aurora, -2. 1 below in McHenry, 1 above there in Waukegan. It's 0 in DeKalb with a wind chill there of -18. Also feels like -18 in Aurora. Feels like about 15 degrees below 0 in Crystal Lake and Bartlett. 12 below O'Hare, and it feels like 9 below there at the lakefront in the city. Valparaiso, by the way, 13 below for your wind chill. Here's your afternoon. Below 0 wind chills stick around all day. Tomorrow morning, these range a wide range likely, but teens to mid-20s, 26, 27 below 0 possible even in some spots. So tomorrow morning looks even worse. Tomorrow afternoon, we start to get a few of these above 0 at least. It's a clear start this morning. Won't last long. You get into a mostly cloudy sky today. You might see a few light snow showers or flurries south of 80. 10 degrees.